How to use GitHub Copilot in VS Code in 2025. So here's a step-by-step guide. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to code.visualstudio.com and download the latest version for your operating system. Install and open it. Step 2. Click the extensions icon on the left toolbar search. And then you can search for GitHub Copilot. And then click Install. Step 3. After installing GitHub Copilot, you will be prompted to sign in. And then you can use your GitHub account linked to your Copilot. Step 4. Go to the status bar and find the Copilot icon and make sure that it's turned on. Step 5. Open or create a new file. Type a comment describing what you want and Copilot will start suggesting code automatically, and then press Tab to accept suggestions or Escape button to dismiss them. Step 6. You can go to the file and then Preferences and then Settings and search for Copilot to adjust suggestion behavior. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.